If you vote for me, I'll make sure that the boys' dormitory is always clean.
Why? You're gonna wangula.
And I will make sure that everyone is paid on time.
Of course.
Thank you for listening.
Munafunyo. Yo yesimbye kuki?
Entertainment prefect.
Okay, come. Let's come.
Jojo.
Let's come.
Because I'm a head boy.
Jojo aliwa. Ogenda muwangula. Ane munene.
Our group, Luinda Junior, is not contesting for which post? Now I want you to pay attention. We also see as a school, as a staff, as the director, as a head teacher, we see a very great influence of Luinda Junior, the one we call Kabaka Mwanga, not so? Is so influential. So when indeed he applied for the post of head prefect, that's very true. We sat and discovered that as a school, as brain parents, we shall benefit from him more when he is an entertainment prefect. As a school, we look at a school, not listen. We looked at him. We want the school to benefit from him. Okay? So we looked at it not as individual. We don't have any selfish interest. We don't want to deny him. In any case, Kabaka Mwanga is here up to next year, isn't he? He's here up to next year. We are still with him. I know he's going to perform very well. I know his capacity. We have seen him on TikTok. We have seen him on Facebook. We want to use that influence he has. We believe if he's at the level of our entertainment prefect as a school, we shall benefit great from him. Listen, I'll come here and explain your okay? Because I'm going to
What?
Darling.
Look up.
Eric. Darling.
What is it?
No, don't make
Eric. Eric. Darling. Darling. Darling once again. Darling. 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 Invalid. Darling. Eric. Darling. 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 William. No, still. Aaron. Eric. Darling. Mokisa. Eric. 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 Darling. Aaron. Aaron. Darling. Darling again. Darling. 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 Darren. Eric.
Yesimbyewo ku kyalo.
Darren. Okisawula. Aaron. Darren again. Aaron. Eric. Aaron. Darren. Eric. Darren. Aaron. William. Aaron. Darren. Aaron. Darren. Aaron. Darren once again. Darren. Aaron. Aaron, don't jump in my head. William. Darren. Aaron. Darren.
I just want us to publish Kabaka Mwanga when you throw us a participant who was unopposed in the course of entertainment prefect. Will be assisted by Lobinga Junior from the effect of today until 2024. You get me right there? Okay. So with this particular moment, I don't want to waste time there. Loyinda Junior, commonly known Kabaka Mwanga. Kabaka.
I would like to thank all the people at this school. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for voting. I promise you that we are going to work hard, as you know. May God bless you.